Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. So we're on the 1 hour time frame on the Aussie dollar. This Fibonacci that you see on here, the red Fibonacci levels, is from the daily time frame. So we definitely are using these Fibonacci areas as support on the way down. The weekly and the daily time frame did turn down. I think that we are very likely in a wave Y, like I said in my full top down video from Sunday. So if that's true, then I definitely would recommend shorts. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short at the end of a big move like this, though. So let's say that price does turn up and break structure. The first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down from here to here, and then I would be looking for a three-way pullback to go short. Let's say price doesn't break structure, but instead goes up and makes another lower high, and just keeps on going down. That means that I would just continue to look for shorts. So I definitely would be recommending shorts. I would have to see some sort of a pullback at least to the last wave down. Would prefer to see a pullback to the whole last wave down, but whether or not it does that, we'll have to see. Either way, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend because the daily and weekly most likely have turned down for a wave Y. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.